At the end of this video, we'll take a look at MadRamp's innovative pivoting ramp system, the safer, easier way to transport your ATVs and snowmobiles. Stick around.
Doug Gower, originally from Michigan, but I live down in Woburn, Mass. These two sleds here are the original owners from Chicago area, out in Illinois. My buddy bought them both like about 5-6 years ago. And I picked this one up last year, and just this year he ended up selling that one. So now these two sleds are staying together. They're both original. I got all the paperwork on this one here that shows how much they paid for it. Shows where it came from, what they traded in for, an SS440. That's basically the bill of sale.
Wow, from the original transaction.
Yep.
That's wild.
Original transaction. Still, even the original little booklet, the owner's manual.
Yeah.
Still have that.
Nice.
You can see how mint that is.
Yeah. That's amazing.
I got this one out last year. The first one I had, I was up at the Andover show up there in New Hampshire, and I took it out for a nice little ride. It goes pretty fast.
Yeah, I bet it does.
And it doesn't even, as you can see, if you want to come around.
Yes, yeah.
It's under 600 original miles on it. This one has about 1,200 miles. Not even 600 miles on it yet.
Wow. Look at a little glare off of there. Nice.
The Interceptor, about 1,200 miles. Limited production. They only made 600 of these, so it's pretty rare.
Yeah.
Last year, the production too, they only went from 78 to 82. That was the last sled they made.
So this is the last production run right here?
Yep. Last production run, as you can see. They only made 600 of them. Like I said, I picked this up, and these are, like I said, from the original owner. Buddy of mine, second, so now I'm the third owner.
Wow.
So hopefully hopefully I have them for a while. If they ever sell, I said they got to go together.
Yeah.
So they got to stay together.
Totally, yeah.
And this
puppies from the same litter, right?
Yeah. I've had people ask, these are for sale. I go, yeah, maybe in a few years or so.
Yeah.
When I'm dead.
Yeah.
But
yeah, these are investment grade snowmobiles right here.
oh yeah, like I said, everything's original to them. They haven't been restored. I think they're one of the best sleds ever made.
Oh, I agree.
I'm biased, but I just love them.
Yeah, definitely one of the sexiest sleds ever.
Oh, they definitely
The
are.
lines on these things were amazing.
Yep. They were just awesome. As you can see the difference in the years, the ski stands got wider from there to here.
Oh, yes, yeah. Look at that.
See that little bulge right there?
Yes, yeah.
But it's surprising. That has this ski spring and that spring. Look at the difference in them. That's more like this. That one really arches up.
Oh, yes, yeah. Now, how does that affect the handling? What's the advantage of one over the other?
Well, plus, if you can see the difference here on the skis, this side over here, they reinforced them. So it made that ski sturdy.
Gotcha.
That arch probably for the handling.
Sure.
Better handling. This is more like a luxury sled.
And this is more of a performance sled here?
Yep, this was basically, it's under the class when I was at a show at the Nationals. It's under muscle.
Muscle sled, yeah.
Yep.
Outstanding. Well, good. Thank you so much.
No problem.
It's the ultimate combination of simplicity and ingenuity. The newest way to load, unload, and transport your ATV or UTV. The MadRamp's Pivoting Ramp System. Made in the USA and engineered for strength and durability. Maneuver through tight places and over rugged terrain with plenty of ground clearance. No licensing, no ongoing maintenance costs, and no storage hassles like trailers. Won't slip or move like conventional ramps. free up more cargo space in the bed of your truck. Securely connects to your truck's receiver hitch. Easily extends for safe loading and unloading. Seamlessly retracts for highway and off-road travel. DOT approved in all 50 states and Canada. Quickly disconnects in under a minute. A unique space-saving storage system. The Mad Ramps Pivoting Ramp System. Go farther. Go faster. Go safer.
When you order using the link in the description, I'll send you 3 free vintage snowmobile DVDs. When you order using the link in the description, I'll send you 3 free vintage snowmobile DVDs. If you run a small business, you know that everyone is on Facebook today. You also know that there are thousands and thousands of Facebook users living within 10 to 50 miles of your business location. If you're like a lot of people, you've created a Facebook page that has only a few hundred fans and very little engagement when you post on it. If this is the case for you, your Facebook page is not earning its keep. There is a better way to generate sales and leads for your business on Facebook. Or maybe you're spending a lot of time posting your offers in free marketplace groups and you're disappointed with the response you're getting. If this is the case for you, there is a better way to generate sales and leads for your business on Facebook. If you are frustrated with Facebook, or if you lack the time or expertise to market your business on Facebook, consider outsourcing it to me. I have short-term and long-term marketing strategies. At least one of them is sure to be right for your business, and my rates are surprisingly affordable. Here are just a few of the services I offer. I can create a video just like this one to promote your product or service. You supply the digital images and I take care of the rest. Once your video is finished, we can run a paid campaign to put it in front of thousands of targeted Facebook users who live within 10 to 50 miles of your business. I can manage your Facebook page and grow it by at least 1,000 new Facebook users every month. These are Facebook users that can be targeted by age, gender, location, and interests. I can make regular daily posts to your Facebook page, and each of these posts will include a description of your offer, your telephone number, and a link to your website. Let's face it, everyone is on Facebook today. If you are not effectively utilizing this incredible marketing tool, you are missing out on an incredible opportunity. Click the link for a free consultation or call me. My name is Mike at 480-626-0055. Thanks for viewing this message and have a great day.